Zero, I'm a student of law.
Okay, question.
What is law?
Law is depend on the rules and the regulation to follow the rules and regulations which help in your life regular basis.
Why do you choose the law?
Because it's my goal. You can say that it's my wish. I I give a test in Sindhi University. There I get a Sindhi department. Then I select Karachi University. There I also get like a PS department, and I don't want to go on that department. That's why, because when I'm in a middle class, that time I thought that law is my future.
What is the difference between PPC and CRPC?
This PPC, it's on criminal cases, and a CPC on depend on civil cases.
What is full form of PPC
Pakistan Penal Code,
and CRPC?
civil CRPC,
CRPC.
Civil Procedure Code.
And which subject in law CPC? What is meaning of CPC?
Civil Procedure Code, CODE code.
What is life?
Life is a precious gift which are given by the God.
What is aim of life?
Aim of life, it's depend on a person that what he want to be. That is on aim of life.
Which
What-
is your
what-
second option if you don't want?
Sir, actually, it is my first option that I have to go on law, because when I give a test in a university, there I don't get a law department. Then I thought that I have to get admission on my, we can say that self.
What is humanity?
Humanity is we can say that humanity is an insaniyat in Urdu or Sindhi. If you help some person or help on a difficult time, that is also humanity.
How many kind of murder?
How many kind of murder? There are basically we can say that 4 kind of murder. Katle and katle shiba, katle bil sabab, katle khata.
You have too much knowledge, so why do you don't want to be a CSS officer? Why only law?
Actually, I don't want to be CSS officer. I want to be a lawyer, or I have in the future that judiciary is my goal. That I have to give a judiciary test to be judge.
What is hope?
Sir, hope is a belief. You believe that the person helped me in any kind of things. Like he is my friend, he helped me for my taste. He can help me in my any kind of thing that is.
What is courage?
Sir, I skip that.
No idea. What is difference between love and like?
Sir, like the person you just say that this person is a good, means you like him. Love is means you like him, and also there is a attraction. There is a attraction or a connection. We can love is also we can love our family members like your mother, father, brother, sister. That's also part of our life, and also we love them.
Sir, I have a question.
Favorite poet?
Sir, my favorite point is, sir, in a present time, there is a Sheikh Ayaz. Because sir,
Any-
he is
any
we
few
can say
lines-
after Shah Abdul Latif, he is the legend person in Sindh.
Any lines you remember of Sheikh Ayaz?
जिहान हारी को यारल ही दी हम घारे विंदासी छुपेर पसारे वेठो आ त डूंगर डारे विंदासी कहलाए तकी तो कंदियता बेड़ी काब न चणी आज तू बचियो वण जारा तो थे वो कारे विंदा दरिया दरजा दहशत आके वक्त कयामत थी विंदी तू मानर गो इन सिंधुते का लहर उभारे विंदासी या मरणू हर के माणू के पर ये न मरंदासी ओ साथी को बारण बारे विंदासी काब लगाए विंदासी.
Sir, I have a question. What is difference between love and affection?
Love, I told you that the person you like him, it can be also family member. That is the love, or any girl means that is your partner, like wife, girlfriend. That is the love. Affection means there is a. I think so that the affection include a life partner, like you are a JF or like your wife.
How could you say
Okay, who suggests you to join Extreme?
Sir, not anyone. It's my personal.
Are you satisfied in Extreme?
Yes, of course, sir.
How much?
Sir, 100%.
What are the reasons?
Sir, because there are the speaking sections and also there is a teacher like sir, you are the legend teacher who always taught us English grammar and we can understand easily.
what you got in extension?
Sorry, sir.
What you got in extension?
Sir, I got a lot of things. Like I learn English grammar, I learn English speaking in the center.
You just
What is your
explained.
thought of Sartaj?
Sartaj is a great teacher and it is one of my great teachers. He taught me very well, like grammar, English.
If you have a chance to do something for Extreme, then what will you have to do?
Good
If I
question.
have the chance to do something in this
For Extreme.
for extreme. Actually,
It's
I want-
supposed to be that you get a chance to do something for Extreme. The what something in your mind you would like to do.
I will make some pages, some groups which are related to in Facebook. Like we can say that social media. I will make something new in social media to students search if any academy. It should be first choice.
So why not you start now this particular thing?
Because sir, I haven't a power. That's
What is different?
I allow you power. You may do it. No
then
problem.
if I have, then I can do.
What is
You
different
may
between-
start. No issue about
If
it.
I start now.
What is difference between media and broadcast?
Media, broadcast is a part of media. If media has something issue or any thing new which are share on their screen, when they share that thing, that is broadcast.
What is
How
yellow?
can-
What is yellow journalism?
Sorry.
Okay.
What do you think about money? Money can buy happiness?
Yeah, of course, money also can buy happiness because money is a part of our life.
It is
by
a
the-
part of our life, or it can purchase anything. There's the two different things.
Sir, if we have, it is a part of money because we can buy everything like not like a family member, but it can help us for a lot of things which we can buy.
No, you purchase everything in the world, but you are not internally satisfied.
Yes.
Spiritually, you feeling sad. Then how can you say the money has importance?
Sir, also the person has a lot of goals. Sir. That I will buy some like a jet, some like a car, Lamborghini, extra anything. If I have not a money, then how I will complete my goal.
No money, no tension.
Sir, wish always came in mind. I have to buy that thing,
What is
and without money that is impossible. Sir.
we can buy happiness.
Yeah, also we can buy happiness.
What is difference between hope and aim?
What is the difference between
Hope
hope
and
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 M is means you want to be something like I want to be teacher and you complete that means your M. You complete your M. Hope is just thing which you want to be, but you complete your goal. It's a different thing. But you just say that I want to be that is hope.
you are in a favor of Imran Khan or not?
Sir, I little bit not, but not at all. Because sir, now he think about the new generation, but now our GDP and GNP ratio are going to low.
So,
How we
can
don't,
also-
but don't you think
sometimes-
it's not at the default of Imran Khan? It's a previous government did these sort of things.
Sir, but previous government their GDP and GNP ratio are or GNP ratio are high. Something we just blame on leaders that we can you are corrupt. But what is the role of leaders for our society, for a GDP, for a GNP, for anything which help us.
What do you think that the government is corrupt or even public is as well as corrupt?
Sir, public is also corrupt. Government is also corrupt, but as well as public are also corrupt.
So how can government correct the public? Because public as well
Because
as
sir,
corrupt.
there is law. If public are doing something illegal, doing something wrong, then government has a right to take action against of them and give them punishment.
What is the role of women
In our society.
in our society?
Role of
Basically,
women.
say, don't talk about this topic. It's a topic for a speech, so no comments. Question.
What is the meaning of GDP and GNP? Full form of
Gross domestic
GDP.
production, gross national production.
Why dollar is increasing day by day? What are the causes?
Because of GDP, sir.
No, but
GDP and GN. Because sir,
how can we
if,
how can we
if
decrease the
something
dollar?
About other country like Bangladesh, like India, their rupees are their money has some means
They are studying some way, some
ways
basis.
like that.
Yeah.
But we are going to back way, sir.
How we can buy
No,
happiness?
Turkey has changed the world. They, destroy the dollar in Turkey because their system. Why not Pakistan?
But sir, it's a totally fault of leaders, and we always think that our weapons are everything. We just make some new weapon on a regular basis, on a regular month, and we can also buy something, some weapon like an abroad country, like Russia, like Korea. We can buy from them, but we don't think about a population. We don't think about a poverty. That how we increase them, but we just want to defend India. We just think that India is a current country. They have a lot of weapons. Then why should not us?
So what
Okay,
are the
who
difference-
will be get the next government? Which party will govern the?
Again, sir.
Yeah, supposed to be we have election in
Imran Khan,
2023.
Sir, Imran Khan.
You think the Imran Khan come again?
Yes, sir. But
Even things are increasing. Even the GDP is not good.
yes, sir. Again.
Why not People's Party or Nawaz League or any other party?
Because sir, Imran Khan has some attraction. Who, when he are on stage, people like him.
So things are increasing like a white elephant. How can you say Imran Khan has attraction?
Sir, but people don't understand. They just believe on a word.
So by the one person, they are just believing on Imran Khan. What about others? This is not a one-person role of the whole party.
It's a role of whole party.
If
But
suppose tomorrow Imran Khan die, I think party is going to be finished.
yes, sir. Obviously, it's
So
not.
one man cannot change the world. You need a unit, you need a
Sir,
guru.
one man can change the world because sir.
But this is
the
not a
person-
game. This
sir,
is
if
not
we
a
think
game. You
about
hit
the
a.
countries, if we
This
think
is not a
about the-
game. Gullado, this is not a game that you hit at the 4 sixes and you won the match. And 1 over. It's not a game. It's you holding
Sir,
whole
here
country.
authority powers with Imran Khan. If he want to, if he want to change, then he can.
So he said, I am trying, but I am not getting. How can he get?
When he
And
said
how
I'm
long
trying,
people
sir,
wait for it?
Sir, he said that I am trying, but how he can complete?
Don't you
He just
think he
said
is
that I
not
can
good thinker?
Sir, he is a good thinker, sir. He is a good thinker, but he
How
has.
we can buy happiness?
How can we buy happiness?
Yes.
We can buy happiness by the money, but we can get a happiness with our friends, from our friends.
How we can earn money? Buy happiness.
By the how you can earn money by the business. If you are get any job, like any government job, you can.
Okay. Media, different channels playing the different role.
Yes.
Some channels are favoring the one party and some channels are in the favor of other party. What do you think about it?
It is a totally game of money, sir. If we think, sir, if we say about the media, Basically, media has a four pillars, four forces. One is the alphabet, second one is the Microsoft software, third one is the Meta and Apple. They all are related to the money, sir. They, if we give them money, they also introduce us.
If you will become Prime Minister of our country, what will you change firstly?
It is impossible to become a prime minister for
So supposed to be imaginary. We know you cannot be, but supposed to be.
Suppose if I become a prime minister, then firstly I change to my life. I can buy everything which I want.
No, what you do for country, you
Sir,
are
in
talking
one day,
about
what can I
yourself.
do? Sir, in one day, what can I do? Nothing, sir.
Anil Kapoor did in movie so many things.
I'm not Anil Kapoor.
Question.
Do you like social media?
Yeah, I like the social media. I like the social media, but in social media, I like alphabet.
What is a friendship?
Yeah, good.
What is a friendship?
Friendship is also I said that it is a precious gift.
Who's your best friend?
Sir, my best friend is the Shahid Kitab.
You are always kidding him, and still you are saying that he's my best friend.
Sir, that's why he is my best friend.
Which quality he has, that's why you like him.
He always helped me in a difficult time, and when I some sad, he also came and say that why you are sad, and also he helped me for my life and I improve anything.
Enemy is important in our life or not?
Enemy, and some kind of they are important because from them we learn something, that how to face a difficulty.
Why enemy is needed?
Because sir, they are give some lessons, sir. And the lesson is important for our life, to get us some knowledge, to get us and we think that how to face the difficulties, and without facing difficulty we can't be success, we can't reach any place.
Which thing on you believe that hard working is important to achieve something in life, or fortune?
Sir, hard working is important.
Fortune is not
It's
important.
important, but hard working is also.
You giving the more value to the hard working. But Hazrat Ali said there are lots of people, even they are illiterate. I have seen them that they are right on top positions.
Sir, if Hazrat Ali said, then it.
No, this is a quotation present in the world, but I am asking about you. Asking
But
to
sir,
you.
according to my point of view, hard working is important.
You are doing the lots of hard work.
No sir, I don't.
I am supposed to be, and Shahid is not doing. But suddenly he is the richest man and you are not. Then where you stand?
Sir, richest man is not everything, but there's knowledge, and knowledge is important for a person to how to see the
But don't
world
you think
in
that there
which
is a labor
then-
class, they are doing more hard work than us?
But sir,
They are
doing
digging the
hard
roads,
working.
they are making the different things. They have the sweat, they are working in
Sir,
very hot
hard working
conditions.
means the person doing work hard for to complete his goal.
For suppose, do you have one chance for kill? What
One
would you
person to kill, then whom would you like to kill?
I want to kill Sir Hasib.
do? Why?
What is the reason?
Hasib?
What is the reason behind that?
Because he always said me wise message.
Who is your favorite
I'd say
cricketer?
that.
Who is your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricketer, Shahid Khan Afridi. He was
Do you play?
No, current, right now. we are
right
talking.
now, sir, current. Sir,
He is not watching cricket. He is not watching
नाम का पता नहीं है।
sir, sir,
Okay.
now I don't
Do you
like
play cricket?
Do you
in
play
a free
cricket?
time, but I don't know very well about cricket.
Okay.
Which is your favorite picnic point?
Picnic point is Ranibagh.
Okay, any last poetry you wind up your interview?
जी हाँ ना सर in English.
हाँ, no problem.
कावी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, कावी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, नजर आती है उनको मंजिल आसमानों में, नहीं तेरा नशीबन कसर सुल्तानी के गंबस पर, नहीं तेरा नशीबन कसर सुल्तानी के गंबस पर, तू शाहीन है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों पर।
Thank you very much.